Introducing a new DVD series unlike anything ever produced. It's cool, it's amazing, it's awesome science. Don't miss the Awesome Science episode where we travel to the Grand Canyon National Park and learn how catastrophic processes were responsible for the formation of these 40 massive sedimentary layers during a global flood, and how there's evidence to show the canyon was eroded in just days, not millions of years. There are suspicions that the Colorado River couldn't have formed the Grand Canyon all by itself. For instance, where the river started is lower than what it went through. Can a river go uphill? I don't think so. Giant land masses rose and sank, causing the floodwaters to recede off the continents and into the ocean basins. Because plateaus and mountains were formed during the stages of the flood, large inland bodies of water were trapped. It is now believed that 2 large lakes formed behind the uplifted Kaibab Plateau. Evidence has been left behind of 2 main lakes holding an estimated 3,000 cubic miles of water, 3 times that of Lake Michigan. We then compare other geologic features to the Grand Canyon, such as at Mount St. Helens, where we've seen layers and canyons formed in just hours. The water quickly eroded through the soft volcanic soil and came cascading across the blast zone. It quickly created canyons in the volcanic rock and ash layers. Even though the Grand Canyon has sedimentary layers, the same process of erosion applies. Lots of water cutting deeply in a little bit of time. We also see how a flood event at Glen Canyon Dam in the Arizona desert eroded solid rock in just seconds through the process of cavitation. Scientists were aware of cavitation, a dangerous process where water can tear through almost any material and surface when enough pressure and flow is taking place. Engineers were worried that this much flow could destroy the spillway tunnel if opened too much. Their worst fears were realized when the outgoing water became red and the ground started to shake. They saw huge pieces of bedrock and concrete being hurled into the air at the bottom of the tunnel. This all happened in just a few minutes. All this and more in the Grand Canyon episode of Awesome Science.